In this guide, I'll show you how to fix Adobe Acrobat Reader not opening on your Windows computer. So it's nice and straightforward. The first thing we're going to do is just head over to your desktop and you need to right click on the Adobe Acrobat application, select properties and head inside of compatibility. From here, you just need to make sure that disable full screen optimizations and also run this program as administrator are both ticked. Then press apply and OK and try launching up Adobe Acrobat. Now, if you can launch up Adobe Acrobat and get to this page, then we're going to come over to menu in the top left hand side, click on preferences and then come down to security enhanced from the left and just make sure that enable protected mode at startup is turned off and disabled, and then we can just press OK at the bottom here to save these changes. Now if you still can't launch up the application, what you'll need to do is head over to your start menu, search for settings and click on the settings window. From the left, come over to apps, click on installed apps and you need to locate the Adobe Acrobat application. Now you can either just scroll down and search for it here, or you can just use the search feature at the top. Once you found Adobe Acrobat, come over to the three horizontal dots, click on modify, give that a couple of seconds to boot up, and then just go through these steps. Click on repair in the middle here, click on next, and finally click update. Now this can take several minutes to validate all of your files and folders, so just wait for this process to get to 100%. If that still doesn't fix the issue, the next thing you're going to do is come over to the start menu, search for run, and then click on the run icon. In this search box, type in app data and hit enter. Then you need to head inside of this local folder, head over to Adobe, and you should see this Acrobat folder at the top here. Just go ahead and right click on this, and we're just going to select the trash icon to delete it. Then come back one folder again, come back over again, come down to local low, and once again head inside of Adobe, and then you just need to right click on Acrobat and once again press the trash icon. Then finally come back a folder again, and lastly we're going to head inside of roaming, head inside of Adobe, and once again delete this Acrobat folder here. And finally, once we've deleted these three folders, we can head out of this window and then you can try launching up Adobe Acrobat from your desktop. So lastly, if you have tried all of the steps in this video and that still isn't fixed it, the very final thing we're going to do is head back over to the start menu, search for Creative Cloud and head over to the Adobe Creative Cloud app. From the home screen, select updates on the right hand side and just ensure you're running the latest version of Acrobat. If there is a pending update, then it will be listed inside of here and you'll need to go ahead and install that now. And that's it guys. By following all of these steps, hopefully now you're able to launch Adobe Acrobat. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.